Do you remember the description of the teenager's bedroom? Student Sam Judd, who is 16, and he makes a description of his bedroom. Well, we are going to pay attention to a couple of sentences. Look at this sentence. My mom was cooking when I arrived home. And the other sentence, my parents were sleeping while I was watching film after film. Well, today we are going to see connectors, okay? And look at the sentences. My mom was cooking when I arrived. We have two actions, was cooking and arrived, okay? Well, was cooking, you remember, is a long, continuous action in the past continuous. And I arrived is a short action in the simple past. Well, we have two actions in only one sentence, and the two actions are connected with when. And we have a long action and a short action. Past continuous, simple past. Connected with when. Look at the second sentence. My parents were sleeping while I was watching films. Again, we have two actions. Was sleeping and was watching. Two actions. Two simultaneous actions. Two actions that were happening at the same time. Simultaneous actions, okay? Simultaneous. Two simultaneous actions. And these two simultaneous actions are connected with while. My mom was cooking when I arrived. My parents were sleeping while I was watching films. Two actions connected with while. Two simultaneous actions connected with while. One action in the past continuous, one long action interrupted with an action in the simple past connected with when. So remember the two connectors, when and while. My mom was cooking when I arrived. My parents were sleeping while I was watching films. Remember the use of while used, okay, to connect two simultaneous actions. In this case, the two simultaneous actions are in the past continuous.